Hello everyone, welcome back to channel Sri Lankan Happy Feet. It was a Sunday and we had this sudden plan to visit this lovely and ancient city of Heusden. Heusden is a destination full of art, history, culture, good food and also good drinks too. And the most important thing about Heusden is that the city is a restored fortress which has been even received the highest restoration award of the Europe Nostra. You can also cycle around or walk around along within these amazing green surroundings, and we can even witness some windmills also inside this fortress. Actually, I think they might be been using for these different kinds of mining when it was using by the time. And you can see that there's a lovely port around us too. We also thought of having a relaxed time by having a small picnic. Actually, it was not planned at all, so we only took some food and stuff we had at home because it was a sudden plan, and yeah, we just grabbed something. So we were watching around the boats which are going around, and the people are swimming around because it's the summer, so it was really good to see. And also something which I clearly memorized once I saw these images of the Heusden fort above from the bird eye view. It was the Jaffna fort which I recalled at once because this is the same structure as the Jaffna fort. So if you search for a picture of Jaffna fort as well as the Heusden fort, you can find it. So you can see clearly that there are so many shops around, restaurants around to chill out. The city harbour of Heusden is also very famous among the boaters actually, and I have seen like many visitors are coming around and checking out there. And this is some cute shop we saw while we were walking around the city. It is a trade fair shop, so it has like creations from all around the world. So we also bought something to remember this day. And and you can even realize that there's this old fish market hall even besides of the West Bank, left corner of the West Bank actually. So after we hang around a bit, it was like evening time and it was getting rainy, so we thought of heading back home as an end of this beautiful journey. And I hope you enjoyed this little short video as well. So until we meet, bye bye.